Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Okay, so let's begin. So I just downloaded my WhatsApp to show you the whole process. So now let's launch the app. In here, simply select your language. Click on agree and continue. You can click on allow to send you the notifications. And now in here you need to type your phone number. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So just give me a second. Okay, and once you have verified your phone number, you will have something like this. Contacts and media. In here, simply click on continue. You can allow WhatsApp to access your contacts. Click on allow to access music and audio. And click on allow limited access or allow all for photos and videos. Okay, and now, as you can see, we had the looking for backups. It was right in here on the top of the screen. And now we have option to restore your chats. As you can see, I made up my backup 4 minutes ago. Below also we have the size and the account on which it is stored actually. Okay, also if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, on our channel we have a video when I'm showing you how to get through the process. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, and now all we need to do is to simply click on restore. Now the process has started. Okay, now we need to wait. The process is finished now. 10 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. So now simply click on next. In the profile info, simply type your name. And if you want to add a photo, simply click on this green plus button. But I'm just gonna leave it just like it is right now. Then click on next. And now, as you can see, all of the messages have been successfully restored, including the photos and also the videos. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.